Hey people, for the past few months I've been using Effect for a while, just in time for it to pop on Twitter and become super standard somehow. So I want to share one of my favorite features about Effect, and it's not about error handling and it's not about asynchronous orchestration and such, but actually the thing that got me first into Effect is the way the runtime is able to control some aspects that allow it to build dev tools, like really cool stuff around it. So I was drawn to it mostly for the logging stuff, the span, the observability, and it was super, super cool. But there's this feature that I absolutely adore, and it is the language service. And unlike many language servers that you can install like with a VS Code for, extension, for example, in this case, you have to install it as a TypeScript plugin. So you actually install it as a dependency and you add it to your tsconfig. And this is a very important part. You have to select the TypeScript version of your workspace and not the one shipped to your VS Code cursor version or whatever. So use the workstation and it should start running from the get-go. And oh my god, this is my favorite feature by far. Whenever you hover over yield, it says all the channels of the result of this. I think it's amazing, and it also really improved the error messages. For example, if I remove this, I see missing my services. Let's see the previous one without the language service. And I mean, this is okay for very simple use cases, but when you have like dependency chain of problem, this becomes really, really painful to debug. So this is really, really a godsend, and there's a lot of improvement going on. And I really, really like this. And another really interesting feature is the graph of the layer. This is like amazing. Like I can hover over a layer, for example, and show full layer graph. Now look at this. It creates a mermaid diagram with all the cross dependency of the layer depending on the layer, and say which file the layer got interested into the request channel, the dependency channel, and also the line. And to me, this is like mwah, chef kiss, really. So I plan to do some Effect content in the near future because I've been using it for a while and I'm really enjoying it, and especially because I didn't like it like at all. I started looking into it more because there's a friend of mine that is absolutely into it, and I wanted to understand, is it like he's the problem or I am the problem? And it looks like I was the problem. So I'm actually really enjoying it. Till next time, bye.